Hi everyone, it's Ryan from Foxtecc, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create photo content on your iPhone. Now, the way you go about this really depends on what you mean by photo content and what your end goal is. So, let's break down a few popular options for creating content with your photos. One convenient and quite popular way to create photo content is by using the Memories feature in your iPhone's Photos app. This feature automatically takes your photos from trips, significant locations, or special events and turns them into short movies. The app randomly compiles these for you, letting you look back on moments like a vacation or a party without you having to do any work. It's a great way to reflect on your life, and I know a lot of people really enjoy this feature. While you can tweak these memories a little, like changing the music or adjusting the mood, you don't have full control over the final video. But if you want more creative control, or you're looking to make content for social media, there are other methods that might work better for you. For example, if you're creating content for social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, those apps make it incredibly easy to edit and share photos or videos directly. You can create collages, add music, and even use special effects all within the app, making it quick and convenient for sharing. If you want to create content more privately or for yourself, you have some great options too. One of my favorite ways to organize photos is by using the Layout app, which allows you to easily create photo collages. It's a simple and convenient way to bring multiple photos together into one piece of content. If you're aiming for something more dynamic, like a video, you can use apps like CapCut, a powerful video editor. With CapCut, you can import your photos and videos, add transitions, music, and even text, and edit it as much as you want. In the end, you'll have a fully personalized video to share or keep for yourself, and it's a fantastic way to turn your memories into engaging content. If there's anything specific you'd like to know that I didn't cover, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to dive deeper into it in a future video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. See you later.